Welcome to hybrids.co.nz. In this video, we show you our new development, conversion of the Honda Fit e-HEV combination meter from Japanese to English. First, you will see how Japanese imported Fit combination meter looks like, and later, how that meter looks like after we reprogram it to New Zealand and United Kingdom specifications. All menus and warning messages in Japanese imported Honda Fit e-HEV combination meter were in Japanese, and there were no user-accessible way to change them to English or to change odometer and speed readings from kilometer into miles. We managed to fix that. This forms part of our ongoing research and development, helping New Zealand, Australian and British second-hand Japanese car importers to convert vehicles for local markets. All services are to be done in our lab in Auckland, New Zealand. Data transfer from your Japanese imported Fit into the donor combination meter is possible. We can courier combination meters New Zealand-wide, to United Kingdom and to Australia. Thank you for watching.